Video on prime factorization. First, I want to talk about what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that can only be divided evenly by the number 1 and by that number. There are a few examples at the bottom of the page. All of these numbers shown here can only be divided evenly by the number itself and by 1. The purpose of prime factorization is to see what prime numbers multiply together to get the original number. So in this case, we're going to see what prime numbers multiply to get 48. Start by dividing the number by the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2, so we'll start there. If it does not go in evenly, then you need to move on to the next highest number, which would be 3. I know that 2 goes into 48, so I'm going to take 48 and divide it by 2. Since 2 is a prime number, you do not have to do anything else with that 2. It's just going to stay off to the side, and then you need to start the process over with the number 24 since it is not a prime number. Again, I know that 2 goes into 24. I get 2 and 12. Since 2 is a prime number, I can leave it alone, and then I move on with the number 12. I again can divide 12 by 2. I get 2 and 6. I'm going to just continue to repeat this process until I end with all prime numbers. I know that 6 can be divided by 2 again. And now that I have all prime numbers left, that means I'm done. I'm going to multiply these numbers all together. So I get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And in order to say that in an easier way, you can use power form. So that is 2 to the 4th power times 3.